Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, where you learn easy English step by step. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello. Alex, do you have a big family or a small family?
Oh, I have a big family. I have 2 brothers, 1 sister, and a lot of cousins.
Wow, that is big. Well, today, our topic is family. Families can be big or small, but everybody has one. So today, we will learn 8 easy and useful English words to talk about your family.
Simple English daily. Hey, come and learn a little every day.
Family is a wonderful topic. Everybody can talk about it. Let's start.
But first, a fun question, Alex. What is the most common family name? The most common last name in the whole world?
Ooh, the whole world? That's difficult.
Is it A, Smith, B, Wong, or C, Garcia?
I'll say, Smith?
Maybe. I'll tell you the answer at the end. Keep listening.
Okay, Nina. Let's start with the most important people, your mother and your father. Together, we call them your parents.
Parents, yes. Your parents are your mother and your father. Say it with me. These are my parents.
These are my parents. Good. And what about your brothers and your sisters?
Your brothers and sisters are called your siblings. Siblings.
Siblings. That's a useful word. I have 3 siblings. Means I have 3 brothers and sisters together.
Exactly. Now, your mother and father also have parents. We call them your grandparents.
Grandparents. Your grandmother and your grandfather are your grandparents. I love my grandparents. They tell wonderful stories.
Me too. Now, your parents may have brothers and sisters, your mother's sister or your father's brother.
Yes, your aunt and your uncle. Your aunt is a woman, and your uncle is a man. My aunt and uncle live in Australia.
And your aunt and uncle may have children. Those children are your cousins. Cousin. Yes, your cousin is the child of your aunt and uncle. I have 10 cousins. 10! That's a lot. But some people have no brothers and no sisters. We call this person an only child.
An only child. If you are an only child, you have no siblings. My friend is an only child. She has no brothers or sisters.
Now, here's a nice phrase. When your face is similar to your mother or father, we say you look like them. Look like. I look like my father. It means my face is similar to my father's face. Say it with me. I look like my mother. I look like my mother. And one more useful phrase. When you are friendly with someone and you don't fight, we say you get along.
Get along. I get along with my sister means we are friendly and happy together. Do you get along with your family, Nina?
Yes, I get along with my brother very well. We are good friends.
Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence about my family. Then you try and tell us about your family. Ready?
Ready. Number 1.
These are my parents.
Number 2.
I have 2 siblings.
Number 3.
I look like my mother.
Number 4.
I get along with my family.
Great job! Now you can talk about your family in English.
Now, the answer to our question. What is the most common family name in the world? I said Smith.
Good guess. But the answer is B, Wong. About 100 million people in the world have the family name Wong.
100 million! Wow! That's more people than live in many whole countries.
Yes, it's a very, very common family name. Let's say our 8 family words again.
Parents, your mother and father.
Siblings, your brothers and sisters.
Grandparents, your grandmother and grandfather.
Aunt and uncle, your parents' sister and brother.
Cousin, the child of your aunt and uncle.
Only child, a person with no brothers or sisters.
Look like, to have a similar face to someone.
And get along, to be friendly with someone.
Great work today. Now you can talk about your family in English.
Tell us about your family in the comments, in English, and practice every day. See you next time.
Bye.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.